forces have been a huge part of the operation in Afghanistan. And from now on, no matter where they are in the world, they can rest easy knowing BC Ingenuity will help keep them warm and dry. The federal government awarding a $130 million contract, half of that here in BC, to make portable army shelters. The shelters can be configured quickly and in almost any layout, from kitchens to command centers. It's a made-in-Canada solution that's already getting a lot of attention from around the world. Brian Coxford has the details.
They are empty now, but these shelters are a key element to modernizing the Canadian military. The expandable units are container-sized, so they can be moved by truck, rail, or ship across Canada or around the world. They all have on-board mechanical rooms with generators and operate independently in a military exercise, peacekeeping role, or disaster relief.
These are expandable shipping containers that'll be eventually outfitted as hospitals and command centers and a variety of different configurations, all for the purposes of delivering capability to the field during an operation.
The federal government is investing $130 million for 900 of the units, half of them assembled in BC. It's made in British Columbia shelter technology, pioneered by Weatherhaven, a Burnaby company that outfitted our troops in Afghanistan, and over the years has sold thousands of hospitals, kitchen units, dorms, and command centers to armies in 20 countries.
These are truly state-of-the-art mobile shelter technology equipment that we are purchasing on behalf of Canadian taxpayers. When people are curious sometimes and they say, well, when a devastating earthquake happens in Haiti, what do we actually deploy? This is what we deploy.
Weatherhaven has partnered with an Ottawa company to outfit the military. Several BC suppliers and a Port Coquitlam metal components manufacturer, Wesgar, are part of the team. It means 80 full-time jobs during the 3-year project. But it may be just the start of something much bigger, because other countries, Brazil, Australia, the Netherlands, and the U.S. are knocking on our door.
Whereas Canada has 1,000 trucks, the Americans have 20,000. So there's a very big market out there in the world for replacing old vehicles with new, modern, highly flexible, capable structures, and we think we've got a leading-edge product to offer that.
Interesting to see one of these containers start from raw sheet metal to end up going out the door as a finished unit like this.
Yeah. It is. And putting everything together, seeing it, and delivering it is very exciting, and it's a good feeling, actually.
The state-of-the-art units replace 30-year-old technology being used by our armed forces. The different shelters can be packed up and assembled in clusters to become self-sufficient pop-up towns. When the project was announced, bids came in from around the world, but the BC builder won.